Luxury redefined. Performance perfected. Welcome to the future of automotive elegance. The 2026 Lexus RX, draped in a stunning cream finish that's as sophisticated as it is bold. Buckle up. This isn't just an SUV, it's a statement. Today, we're diving deep into Lexus's latest masterpiece, the 2026 RX. And this isn't just any RX. We're looking at a limited edition cream exterior paired with a cabin that'll make you feel like royalty. Let's break down why this SUV is turning heads worldwide. First impressions matter, and the 2026 RX delivers. This cream hue, officially called Ivory Mica, isn't just a color, it's a masterpiece. Under sunlight, it reveals subtle metallic flakes, giving it depth while maintaining that timeless, clean look. The redesigned spindle grille is sharper than ever, flanked by Lexus's new triple-layer LED headlights, 30% brighter than previous models. Down the side, you'll notice flush door handles. Yes, they're aerodynamic and sleek, and 22-inch alloy wheels with a diamond-cut finish. Around back, the full-width LED taillights now incorporate, and the roof spoiler isn't just for show. It reduces drag by 8%. Every line here serves a purpose, blending artistry with engineering. Step inside, and the cream theme continues with hand-stitched ivory white leather seats and open-pore walnut trim. The RX's cabin isn't just luxurious, it's smart. The redesigned cockpit features a 16-inch OLED touchscreen curved toward the driver, paired with a head-up display that projects navigation, speed, and even AR-guided turns. For 2026, Lexus introduced Relax Mode. Tap a button, and the seats recline, ambient lighting dims, and a built-in aromatherapy system fills the cabin with your choice of scents. Practicality? With 3D printed cup holders that adapt to your drink size and a 28-speaker Mark Levinson sound system, every drive feels tailored to you. Oh, and that trunk? 1,450 liters with seats folded, perfect for road trips or Costco runs. Now let's talk power. The 2026 RX offers two hybrid options: a 2.4-liter turbocharged plug-in hybrid, 450 horsepower, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.1 seconds, and a smoother 3.5-liter V6 hybrid, 390 horsepower. Both pair with a direct-shift 8AT transmission for buttery gear changes. But the real magic? Lexus's new active ride control. Using AI and predictive road scans, it adjusts suspension stiffness 500 times per second. Say goodbye to pothole jolts. In Sport Plus mode, the RX hugs corners like a sedan, while Eco mode stretches every drop of fuel. Oh, and with up to 52 miles of electric-only range, this SUV isn't just powerful, it's responsible. Tech-wise, Lexus is all in on AI. The RX now has Lexus Assistant, a voice-activated AI that learns your habits. Tell it you're cold, and it'll adjust the seats, steering wheel, and AC. No button pressing needed. Safety? The advanced Lexus Safety System Plus 4.0 includes nighttime bicyclist detection, emergency lane keeping, and a new Safe Exit alert that warns if a car's approaching as you open the door. And for the first time, the RX offers Level 3 semi-autonomous driving. On highways, it can handle lane changes, merges, and even toll booths while you sit back and enjoy that cream-colored luxury. What do you think? Would you rock this cream beauty, or is it too bold? Drop a comment below. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell. We've got more futuristic rides coming your way. Until next time, stay luxurious.